Good morning, Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Today I'm going to show you how to upload a video to YouTube in this iMovie tutorial. So if you did not make your video in iMovie, you're going to want to watch the second portion of this video. It will show you how to upload the video to YouTube. But this portion of how to export it, how to get it ready to upload using iMovie, this iMovie tutorial is super quick. So just keep watching. All right, so when you've finished your movie, you've got it all ready to go, you're ready to export it, that's called, so you can upload it to YouTube. Here's what you do. You need to go to File. I lied. It's up here, top right. You need to click on this share button, this little icon here. That's the share button. You can go straight to YouTube, you can go straight to Facebook, you can email, go to Vimeo, or whatever. I always recommend you make a file first because sometimes these crash. Sometimes they don't work how they did. And if that happens, then you wasted all that time. So I click File. I'm going to export it as a file and as missing media, apparently. Don't worry about that. You won't have that message. I know why I'm having that message. Okay. So just continue. And right here, you name it, what you want to name it. These are your settings. It should by default be set to what it's supposed to be, but if you want it bigger or better resolution, you can change it to 1080. Quality, you always want that to be actually, it doesn't matter. High is good enough, but if you want a little higher quality, you can go to ProRes. Click Next. It's now going to export this. It's going to take longer. Let me change it back to just high quality so it doesn't take so long. Click Next. Choose where you want to save it right here. And again, you can change the name if you choose to. And save. All right, this circle here is going to indicate where it's at in the exporting process. What's this doing? What this is doing is it's taking the video and compressing it into what's called a QuickTime movie, a .mov or a .mp4. You don't need to know that. Just know that it's making it into a video file so you can then upload it to YouTube. Again, you can go straight to YouTube, but I don't recommend it. Other reason I don't recommend it, besides the fact that it crashes sometimes, is that if you save a copy of this on your computer, then you can use it for other things. You can put it on YouTube and Facebook. You can send it to friends in a text. You can email it, whatever. You can do whatever you want with it. If you only put it on YouTube, it can only be on YouTube. So yeah, so I like to have a copy of all my files separate from YouTube. Okay, now we're going to go to YouTube. Now this is the upload portion. So if you made your video somewhere else, just make sure you know where that video file is. Come to YouTube, click this button right here that when you hover over it, it says create. And here's how you upload this video. You choose upload video. You can select the file here, or if you know where it's at, like iMovie just finished my video, I'm going to click show. And it will show me where that's at in my Finder. I can click and drag it. So the hardest part about uploading to YouTube is just knowing where your folders are, or knowing where your file is that you are trying to upload. Okay? You can add a description if you choose to. You can add it to a playlist if you choose to. You want to designate if it's for kids or not for kids. By the way, if you choose for kids, it will not allow there to be comments. Click Next. If you're monetizing it, you may or may not have this option, but if you're monetizing it, you'll need to select whether you want to do that or not. Click Next. Click Next. Then it's asking if has any questionable content that advertisers might want to know about, like porn or bad things. Click Next. If you want to leave it unlisted, then people will only find it if you give them this link. If you leave it as private, then people will only find it if you grant their YouTube channel specific access. If you make it public, everybody can see and find it. You can also schedule it to air for the first time on a certain date. I'm going to leave mine unlisted and click next. And now I'm done. It's going to upload my video, then it's going to process my video, and then within a few minutes, my video will be available to watch on YouTube. And that is how you upload videos to YouTube from iMovie in this iMovie tutorial. I'm Kurt with Teach Mom How. I make how-to videos that are so simple, even your mom can do it. Please subscribe for more how-to videos and hit the bell so you get notified every time we do a new tutorial. Have a great day.